TOKIT Omni Chef robot is going to help me to cook Thai red pork curry, and it's all going to be ready in 45 minutes. I'll need an onion cut in half, garlic, ginger, kaffir lime leaves, and curry paste, and I'm gonna put it all into the mixing bowl. The robot is going to chop it all in 10 seconds. Afterwards, we have to add some coconut cream, peanut butter, and sweet potato. The sweet potato has to be cut into little cubes. And then the TOKIT Omni Cook Chef robot is going to use one of its amazing functions to cook it for 6 minutes at 100 degrees, speed 1. Then I'm gonna add the pork that was also cut into cubes. And the TOKIT Omni Cook Chef robot is going to cook it for 8 minutes at 90 degrees.
Start cooking.
Then I've added 200 grams of frozen green beans, and the robot cooked it for 5 to 8 minutes at 80 degrees. I've actually had to extend the time to 12 minutes as the pork was cut into pieces that were a bit too big. So that's it. This is the end result. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you again, TOKIT.